Coffee in dollar and iced coffee. So, ang in-order ko ay isang hot coffee kasi medyo malamig dito. Ang temperature nga dito kanina ay 14 or 15 degrees. So, temperature for today is 19 degrees, mostly sunny. And I think over the next day, it will be a good weather for us here. Cloudy on a Wednesday, but that's okay because we are going back by that time. Alright, so now we're having breakfast here at King FT. Alright, so Tita A, ano ba itong in-order mo?
Umorder ng lechon baboy,
Okay.
lechon kawali.
Lechon kawali sa atin. Pero ang tawag dito ay
Kong hewai.
Komhewai. Ikaw din? Ganun din ba ang tinira mo?
Yes, pareho lang
So,
tayo.
pareho lang ng almusal.
Thank you.
Thank you. And coffee with condensed milk. Just the perfect match. So, let's eat breakfast. Hapinoy travelers. So, this place is not far from our hotel. Walking distance. Kaya na tayo! Thank you.